All right, good afternoon. Welcome to Trendy Options. We're looking at ULTA, ticker symbol ULTA. It is May 28th. And just for disclaimer, they are running into earnings on the 31st, which is Thursday, after market hours. I've come up with some levels here according to supply and demand, and also using a little bit of Fibonacci and trend. What is the trend? Well, overall, we're sitting at the bell curve. So from the pivot high to the pivot low, this is expected, right? We're going to come up into the zone and then we go sideways. This is where the bears and bulls battle it out. And also, you could say fundamentals come in, right? Does the market trade on rational thoughts? Not really. I think it's irrational, and I think we trade using technicals. Time will tell you that, going back to the inception of the stock market. So therefore, I've come up with some targets here. T1 is at 266.3, T2 at 280, T3 coming in at 292 up into 301. Okay, these are a little bit longer term out to the T3 targets. Shorter term or midterm would be T2. Shorter term would be T1s, okay? What I like to see using some back testing of my own is like to see price stick above the T1 into earnings for me to be super bullish. Now, as a disclaimer, that doesn't mean they're going to beat, but super bullish as in they beat, the guidance might be a low, and give us the opportunity to go long into the stock and shoot for T3, somewhere 90 days out. All right, that's the way I like to trade. That's where the big money kind of comes in. All right. To the downside here, T1 looking at 231.8, T2 is 219, and T3 at 207. Do I expect the stock to go sideways into earnings? No. I would expect us to try to get up into close to T1. So we might have a big mover coming in the next few days into earnings here. So please keep this, and that's why I've labeled this on the watch list. If you have any questions, please let me know. Come check us out for free for another week. Also, check me out at www.trendyoptions.com. Have a great night. We'll see you in the morning.